Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Sam Galope, and this is Benji Pagulang's channel. Stay tuned.
Good morning, guys!
Good morning, Vietnam!
I'm back!
Oh, it's good to be back.
It's Sunday, It's Sunday, March 9, 10:30, and this vlog is just started. Working 11 hours shift today, so yes, I always spend my half day at work. So I'm using Hero 5 session for this vlog. Okay?
Okay.
Lahat ng video na kuha nitong vlog na to is lahat sa Hero 5 session. The new one. It's a small camera, but let's see. Siri, what's the weather today?
Here's the forecast for today.
-1. So it's a little bit chilly, I think. 11 a.m. 10:53. We still have 7 minutes left. And work na naman. 11 hours shift. Gonna be a long hour shift, but oh yeah. Let's enjoy our day, guys. Join me today. Thank you. Anyway, thank you for all the support. Thank you for all who subscribe to me. And we're good to go. Every day like this. Tanong ko sa labas. And don't forget the penny. My penny. Always bring penny. Always bring penny at work. So let's go. Wow. Oh yeah. Not too cold. Not too bad. Not too bad. Working. Ooh. Oh yeah. Got this one here. So, nandito na ako sa work. Daming kalat. How are you, Terilyn? Good.
2,000 years later.
Hey yo, what's up everybody? And it's my break time guys. So let's eat. I'm having steak with bacon as usual. So kain muna mi ha. Back to work muna guys ha. See you again later. Tired. 8 hours left. 8 hours to go pa. See you again later. Work mode muna. Another day is over. What a tiring day guys. Halfway. 11-hour shift is done. Finally. So it's time to go home. I have to say goodbye. And this vlog ends in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you tomorrow.